Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to withdraw Solana from Bitmart straight to your Arculus wallet. If you're into crypto and want to secure your assets, this 2025 update will make the process a breeze. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, I'll walk you through each step clearly and simply. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have your Bitmart account set up and verified, along with your Arculus wallet ready to receive funds. This is crucial for security, especially in the ever-evolving crypto world of 2025. Log into your Bitmart account using your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Assets section. It's usually on the main dashboard. Next, find your Solana balance and click on the Withdraw button next to it. You'll be prompted to select the network. For Solana, make sure it's set to the Solana network to avoid any errors. Now, this is important. Copy your Arculus wallet address directly from the wallet app. Double-check it to prevent any mishaps. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Enter the amount of Solana you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be minimum withdrawal limits and network fees, so check those beforehand to avoid surprises. After entering the details, you'll need to go through a two-factor authentication step, like entering a code from your phone or email. This adds an extra layer of security, which is a must in 2025's digital landscape. Once you've confirmed everything, hit submit, and your withdrawal request will be processed. It usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Arculus wallet app to confirm when the Solana arrives. And there you have it. That's how you safely move your Solana from Bitmart to Arculus. A quick tip. Always use hardware wallets like Arculus for long-term storage to protect against hacks. If you run into any issues, Bitmart's support is pretty responsive. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video.